Do you want to stop?
It's okay.
Can you? It'll make me feel better.
Just go.
Hold on.
Dude, when did you get your camera? Because that was really fast.
What?
When did you get that camera? Because I have looked over there for like 10 seconds and then you turned it back and you have a camera.
I've had this on for like 25 seconds now.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah.
Stop.
Who is it?
Are you sad?
It is sad.
Oh, don't get sad.
Dude, how long have we known him?
I've known him since I was
No,
like
dude. I've known
7
him
or
since
8.
Rancho. How long was that? Like,
5 or 6 years.
dude,
Call him.
one time?
You know you want to call him.
No. One time, I was at his house and this fat girl was like, oh my god, you're gonna straighten, because I was gonna straighten all of his hair and it was really long. And they were like, no, oh my god, you don't know Chip and how he does his hair. I was like, and he's all, she's known me for like 4 years. I was like, yeah, I'm not some fucking random ass bitch that doesn't know him doing his fucking hair.
Yeah.
So you
Like,
straightened.
No, he didn't look. No, it was in his